food lovers, thanks so much for tuning in to Food for Life. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're whipping up something truly delicious that I think you're going to love. Let's dive right in. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends who love great food. The more, the merrier. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future recipes and cooking tips. Now let's get started and make something scrumptious today. Alright, today we're making a classic that never goes out of style. Creamy garlic Parmesan pasta. It's quick, easy, and absolutely loaded with flavor. Here's what you'll need. For our pasta we need 8 ounces of spaghetti, or any pasta you prefer, 4 cloves of garlic minced, because garlic makes everything better. 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, a sprinkle of fresh parsley for garnish, totally optional but so pretty. And if you have some ingredients you love to add, feel free to customize it. Now that we have our ingredients, let's talk about the prep work. First things first, boil a large pot of salted water. Once it's bubbling away, toss in the spaghetti and cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente. You want that perfect bite? While the pasta is cooking, let's get our sauce going. In a large skillet over medium heat, pour in a splash of olive oil. Once that's heated up, toss in the minced garlic. Let it sauté for about a minute until it's fragrant, but make sure it doesn't burn. We'll add our heavy cream next. Slowly pour in the cream, stirring it around, and let it simmer for a few minutes until it thickens up a bit. Then, stir in that gorgeous grated Parmesan cheese, and mix it until it's all melted and creamy. Just look at that! Now when your pasta is done, don't forget to save a cup of that pasta water. Drain the rest and add the hot pasta right into the skillet with our creamy sauce. Give everything a good toss. If you feel like it's a bit thick, slowly add in some reserved pasta water, until you get that smooth, silky consistency. Lastly, season it with salt and pepper to taste. Get creative! You can even add some cooked chicken or veggies if you'd like. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. Let's see how we did. Wow, that's incredible! The creaminess mixed with that robust garlic flavor and a hint of nutty Parmesan? Perfection! I wish you guys could taste this right now. Don't forget to try it at home and let me know what you think. You can totally take this recipe and make it your own. Thank you all so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this creamy garlic Parmesan pasta as much as I did. If you give it a try, snap a picture and tag us on social media. We'd love to see your creations. Remember to connect with us on our social media for more cooking tips and recipes. And keep your eyes peeled for our next video where we'll be exploring another amazing dish. Before you go, make sure to like this video, drop us a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more delicious food adventures. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.